To create a new project in Videoscribe, we click on the Create a New Scribe button. Then we will be faced with a white blank screen here. On the top we've got some tools like this tone icon, which is used to add music, and this one is used for voiceovers, and this to change the background, which is white here, and this for changing the drawing hand. And also we've got this play icon. It plays all the elements that we have here on the timeline, and this one after it only play the element that is selected. These buttons are used for sharing and saving our projects. We've got that scissor, which is used to copy and paste our elements, and at the bottom we've got some other icons, which is for adding images and texts and for adding charts. And here we've got the timeline, and we've got the camera here. So this is just an introduction to the screen and to the project environment in Videoscribe. See you in the next video.